In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start using Microsoft Teams on your computer. Whether you're working or learning from home, Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool that helps you stay connected and collaborative with your team or classmates. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to have Microsoft Teams installed on your computer. To do this, head over to the official Microsoft Teams website. This can easily be found through a quick search in your web browser. Once you're there, look for the option to download the desktop app. If you're using a Windows or Mac OS system, make sure to select the appropriate version. After downloading, follow the setup instructions to install the app. If you're a Windows 11 user, there's a possibility the app is already pre-installed, so make sure to check that before downloading it afresh. Now that you have installed Teams, it's time to open the application. Upon launching it, the first thing you'll encounter is a login screen. Here you'll need to provide an email, phone number, or Skype ID. This verifies your identity and links you to the right account. The login page is straightforward, so you should have no trouble navigating it. Let's move on to the next step, which involves entering your Microsoft account credentials. You'll need to type in the email that is associated with your Microsoft 365 account. This could be your personal email or one provided by your work or school. It's important to use the correct email to ensure you have access to all the resources available to you through Teams. If your organization has supplied you with a specific work or school account, be sure to use that email address here. Now let's talk about authenticating your login. After entering your email, you'll need to input your password. It's important to remember your password, or have it saved securely, to make this process quick and easy. For added security, if two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, you'll be prompted to complete this step. This usually involves entering a code sent to your phone or through an authenticator app. This additional layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Teams dashboard. This is your main hub within Microsoft Teams. From the dashboard, you can join meetings, chat with colleagues, and collaborate on projects effortlessly. Spend a little time familiarizing yourself with this interface so you can navigate it smoothly during your daily tasks. And there you have it. Now you're ready to start using Microsoft Teams to its full potential. Remember, whether it's attending virtual meetings or collaborating on tasks, Teams keeps everything organized and ensures you can stay connected with your peers. Enjoy your experience using Microsoft Teams.